the silence the silence when you are not speaking or mental also goes into the silence, mind, thinking. So if we analyze the whole day and in the night, day and night, in the night after dreaming goes into the sound sleep. The sound sleep is like a mini death. Mini death means the ego appear in the day, goes to the egoless state, kind of mini death, because in the sound sleep there is no wanting, no trying to fill the desires. In that state of not wanting and not wanting, like the waves, ripples goes into the silent river or ocean. That's how the great sage Lao Tzu indicate no effort, effortless. No thinking, no doing, no non-doing. Then do you become the ice cube? No. The quantum stage says maximum activity happens in the non-activity state. Effortless effort is happening right here now. The storm is coming, raining is coming. Is there a machine or a machine man maker doing all that? No, it is effortless effort. It appears changing, happening. Yes, changing are happening. Where the changing happening? In the mind. Because if you are in the sound sleep, do you bother the storm or the raining? You are in the state of sound sleep. Sound sleep means mini death. Now, death is more like the being state of effortless effort. Effortless effort is like mirror. Mirror does the activity to show you the face or faceless face. No, it's combined doing and being. Like the light in the sound, in the lamp, what it is doing to show its effulgence with the light, like the sun rays, the sun, the sunlight comes without effort, effortless effort, like the ocean flowing in the name of forms or waves. The air is breathing inside, outside, inside, inside, outside. Have we observed these two poles of birth and death? Birth and death. What is the connection? The breathing. The breathing get disconnected. Like you pull out the plug. Then where does the electric goes? It was, it is, it will be. It just only appear, disappear. Transformation from the seed to the tree, tree to the seed. People have given a whole bunch of words, fear of death, because all the words and memories piled up. But the one who don't live in fear, fear of thinking, already in being, beingness is very similar like 5-year-old, the state of combined in the being, oneness. You cannot think of beingness. What is beingness is existence, like the hunger and the sound sleep. Do you work for the hunger, think of hunger, are two different states. Like if you are channel 5, you cannot observe channel 9. Like if you are dreaming of death, is the same? No. If you are dreaming, you are cutting your hand and repair, and then join again. All that is happening. Just move like a movie. In movie, 3 hour movie, there is robber robbing the robs happening. But who get robbed? Robber robbing the robbers. No, it is oneness because it's all the Maya illusion. But the law of karma happens in existence because suppose in 3 hour movie you're watching 3 hour movie, murder happen, jail, prison, all those happen, but it is all cloudy because it is on the film. The same way the great sages indicate that your 80, 90, 100 year is just like a movie, just like a reflection. Then what is the really real? Really real happen when you tear down, cut out the veil, the Maya. What is that? That is not chained, bound by the timeline. Timeline. That is automatically already the isness. 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 Now, what is the isness? Isness can be felt through the breath. But the isness don't depend on the breathing. Breathing depend on isness. So you already infinite isness. Israel is the real isness. But the really isness, then you are in a different state. Non-wanting want, which is the Brahma, Par Brahma, Par Brahma, Par Brahma, because even Brahma wanted another playfulness, one into many and many into one, but behind all the many movies, what is the behind that? Beyond the time reflection, timelessness, which cannot be conditioned, bound by anything. that is also the different state of quantum body. Quantum body beyond the name and form. Beyond the name and form, if you want to understand, it's already in Mother Nature, H2O. Now H2O in physical world, let's understand. Suppose gold is gold, then you make many ornaments, chain, ring, blah, blah. Now water, H2O, changes into cup, glass, is raining from where? Is there a river which is allowing the storm or combine with the air and come? No, it's all oneness. Then it goes to the earth, trees, plants, goes, clouds. It's all oneness. Like water can become steam, tea, coffee, and also in the same refrigerator you can have three levels. Can have tea, coffee, and ice cubes. And also, so all the different states appear at different, like in your life. But who does not suffer? Who does not suffer like Buddha indicated four stage of suffering: old age, diseases, disease, and death. A man goes in the different state. But a dead body suffer all the four state. Dead body is relaxed like a log. You have to ask the question to the dead body, where are you? Where are you now? Many answers. One answer, where I am not. I'm everywhere, nowhere. Question answer become one. Gate gate para gate parasam gate bodhi swaha. What it means? Doing, thinking, being human being, then there is no more thinking and doing. Like all the activity of the water. Suppose rivers, ripples, waves, and it finally goes content in the ocean oneness, and these all the elements, earth, water, fire, air, it appear as like differently different, but in the absolute there is all oneness, because it arises from, all the numbers arise from the cipher, zero. Like a 5-year old, you start giving a plate of diamond, gold, and all that. Does it get affected? Does it get influenced? No, neither plus nor minus. It only giggle. The same way you ask the same question to the dead body. So we die daily, not only daily, not hourly, in the very moment. In the inhaling, rising, rising, rising the divine light, going, going, going. That's what happened in the dead body. Exit of the breath. And the newborn take the breath in. So thinking is the outer, but the tail of the thinking is the breathing. What is behind the breathing? Behind the breathing is the Suddha Chaitanya, Brahma awareness, awareness, who am I? When you insect, observe, not outside, observe the observer. Then the life start. Step one. Step one means the life, it begins. Not get entangled in the cloud outside. The world of the mind to no mind to the heart. Heart automatically is the super silence, not made of the words, not made of the mind, not made of the ego. You can put the words Shanti, Param Shanti, Mahashanti, Om Shanti, whatever words you want to put. Samadhi, Mahasamadhi. Imagine in the grave, you put a dead body which is not killed, half killed. How does it feel? restless, restless. And the one who is already gone in the other state don't want peace because he already is peace. Like the ice cube. Ice cube don't want the ice, already is. So the world of isness is the world of the beingness. Then you can call it the quantum world. You can be in two faces, two different existence, two different world. All faces are yours because just like even the dream, you can, without the ticket, you can travel to UK, London, France, anywhere. Time is no longer in the kingdom of my Father. That's the scriptures indicate. The time is no longer. What is the time? Question the time of the time in the real time. The lucky ones are the real ones who question the real question, who am I? Who am I in the real time, in the real space? Otherwise, you have wasted life in a one dream. There are other dreams. Dream of rich, famous, miserable, rich, famous, or exotic pleasure, whatever, but restless, seeking the real peace, not knowing the seeker is the seeking, the seeker is the seeking, already in different direction, wrong outside. The whole world disappear in the sound sleep. Sound sleep can be 4 hour, 2 hour, or no matter what. But that the one recharge the battery. So what is the real education? Wanting the wanting, and wanter already perpetuations. Like all the lamps, all the light, all the decorations of lamps disappear in the sunlight. The same way, all belonging, all wantings are come and go from the deathbed. And what is the deathbed? That is the Param Shanti, Om Shanti, the lucky one, blessed one who die before the death, in the very moment. They are already free from all the worries, all the worries. चाह गई चिंता मिटी बनियावे परवाह जाको कछु न चाहिए वाही सहम सहा. The Lord of all, the Lords are the one who don't worry, who don't think, who don't hurry, curry, all that basura. Even physical world, every day in the sound sleep, you return to the 5-year-old innocence. Is it possible to live 24/7 in that state of innocence? And that is the state of the yogis, Mahayogis, self-realized master, Guru Ramana Maharishi point out that super science of all science, the seed sprout out the plant and again return to the seed. So the same way, the seeker seeking the seeker. And easier than the easiest, only return to the head to the heart. In the state of being, you already are here. If any effort, it is effortless effort. Effortless effort you can see right here, right here, right here, right here now. Like the storm, the rain, the cloudy, All those are flavors of the easiness. But you cannot enjoy, observe, unless you have teared down the layers of ignorance. I cannot see the screen if I put a black kind of glance, lens. Imagine that's how people indicate semi-gods, super-gods. That means they can achieve anytime, any place. Purnamidam means fullness for the fullness of the full. No more fragmented, divided up. Like imagine if the body is divided up the same way, the subtle body, the mind, brain are divided up into 12 different, 12 pages, 12 screens. How do they feel? They feel like torn out, stressed up. No matter what title you put, billionaire, trillionaire, does not matter. But inside the mind is like, not even like a monkey. Monkey, donkey, donkey, does not matter what word. But the same you can call God, Father, or easiness, or oneness, or quantum easiness. Then there are no two unified dance into Tao, yin yang, Tao. Tao means effortless effort. Om Shanti, Param Shanti, Param Shanti. Blessed are those who receive the message free and clear, anytime, anywhere. Om Shanti, Param Shanti.